This is it. You've made it. This is the last video for this week. This is on different breeds of birds. So breeds of birds in the parrot family. This family contains some of the smartest birds. Many of them can be taught to talk. They're very affectionate and can also make excellent pets. Members of the parrot family are known for their very large beaks, especially macaws. Breeds would include things like cockatoos, cockatiels, conures, macaws, both blue and gold, parrots, parakeets, lovebirds, and also hanging parakeets. So some of the more popular species include cockatoos, and these are known for their like a little crest or a tuft of feathers on top of the head, and its ability to mimic words or sounds. They're considered to be very intelligent birds. Cockatiels. These are one of the most popular pet birds. Cockatiels are ideal birds for beginners if you're new to bird ownership, and also youngsters or kids. They're very easy to raise and they're very affectionate pets. The African gray parrot. This bird is very alert, very intelligent, and also makes a very affectionate pet. It's considered to be the best talker of all the birds because its voice closely resembles a human voice. And then the budgie. These are the most popular pet bird in the world. They are often sold as a parakeet, but they are actually a completely different species. If they are trained correctly, the budgie can be taught to talk. This bird is an excellent pet, very easy to care for and fairly inexpensive. It eats feed from the floor of its cage. Some birds will eat from different levels, but the budgie actually eats off the floor. So these are the ones we just talked about: cockatoos, cockatiels, the African gray parrot, and the budgie. All right, breeds of birds in the woodpecker family. Believe it or not, toucans are a woodpecker. And toucans, you can buy them and you can have them as a pet. However, they're fairly rare. They can cost $2,500 or more. They're expensive. They're very noisy birds. They're about the size of a macaw, but they're known for their extremely large bill, and it can be almost as long as the bird's body. So it's huge. All right, breeds of perching birds. This is the largest family of birds, almost 60% of all of them. They're very good singers, and they're also known as songbirds. So starlings, the talking myna is actually in this group. It is considered a starling. It's a black bird with an orange bill that has the ability to mimic the human voice and other sounds. Myna birds do require quite a bit of care. The common canary, this is a very important pet known for its singing ability. Some are bred for their color, others are bred for their singing ability, and some are actually bred to have a crested top or feathering on top of their head. Finches, these are very small birds that are social in nature. The Bengalese finch is the most social of all birds, and the zebra finch is actually the most widely kept and bred finch in captivity. So there are those, your talking myna, your zebra finch, and zebra finch, canary, talking myna, work with me. So I don't actually have a funny meme at the end of this one, but this is it. This is all the breeds of birds we're going to talk about. As always, let me know if you have any questions or concerns. And thank you so much for hanging with me through this lesson. I know it's been a big one, but this is it.